Imagine if the cure for your stress, anxiety, and even physical ailments was as simple as a walk in the park. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that science is backing up this idea, and it's not just about fresh air and exercise? Dr. Marc Berman, a trailblazer in the field of environmental neuroscience, has spent his career exploring the profound impact that nature has on our minds and bodies. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about feeling good in the moment. It's about long-term mental and physical health benefits. But here's where it gets controversial. Some experts argue that this is just another form of pseudoscience, but the evidence is stacking up in Dr. Berman's favor. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of nature's healing powers. Dr. Berman's groundbreaking work has uncovered a surprising link between our environment, particularly the natural world, and our overall well-being. He has dedicated his life to studying this connection, and his findings are nothing short of revolutionary. If you've ever felt exhausted, scattered, or down in the dumps, Dr. Berman has some good news for you. He's identified key components of what he calls a nature prescription that can recharge your batteries, enhance your concentration, lift your spirits, and even improve your physical health. But how does it all work? The secret lies in something called attention restoration. You see, our brains are constantly bombarded with stimuli, and this can lead to mental fatigue. But here's the thing. Interacting with nature has a unique way of restoring our attention and giving our brains a much-needed break. And this is where the magic happens. Dr. Berman's latest book, Nature and the Mind, is a must-read for anyone interested in the intersection of science and wellness. It's not just a dry academic text. It's a practical guide to living a better life. Whether you're a seasoned nature enthusiast or a skeptic, this book offers valuable insights and actionable tips. Now let's talk about Joe, a radio personality who has interviewed countless fascinating people, from celebrities to Muppets. Joe has been a staple on the Philadelphia airwaves for over 25 years and currently resides in Washington County, New York, with his wife, Kelly, and their dog, Brady. And get this, Joe reads every single book he can get his hands on. So, when he talks about the power of nature, you know he's done his homework. But here's a question for you. Do you think spending more time in nature could truly transform your life? Or is this all just a bunch of hype? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let's get the conversation started.